Gadgets Review. Top 5 Best Welding Machine Buy in 2022.
Number 5.
Forney Easy Weld 298 Arc Welder 100ST 120 volt 90 amp green. The Forney Easy Weld 100ST is easy to use and portable, allowing you to take it wherever you need to weld. Easy Start technology makes every arc strike a breeze. Applications include do-it-yourself, maintenance and repair, and hobbyist. Perfect for beginners. Recommended accessories and details. Includes 8 feet electrode holder and 8 feet ground clamp. No foot pedal operation on this machine. Steel ground clamp 300 amp, Forney item number 54410. Medium duty electrode holder 200 amp, Forney item number 56000. Straight head chipping hammer, Forney item number 70600. Argon CO2 flow meter, Forney item number 85364. Ground cable and clamp 150 amp, 15, Forney item number 85667. Electrode holder with cable 150 amp, 15, Forney item number 85669. TIG capable accessories, TIG torch not included, sold separately, number 85657. 9 volts TIG torch, size 25 Dinsey, Forney item number 85657. TIG welding ceramic cup, Forney item number 85454. TIG welding torch collet 1/16, Forney item number 85455. TIG welding torch collet body 1/16, Forney item number 85459. 2% thoriated tungsten electrode, Forney item number 85450.
Number 4.
LOTOS 04ZVGR008D welding machine. LOTOS LTP-DC 2000D non-touch pilot arc plasma cutter TIG welder and stick welder 3-in-1 combo welding machine, 1/2 inch clean cut, brown. The LOTOS LTP-DC 2000D is a first-to-market multi-purpose welder that allows the user to DC TIG, stick weld and plasma cut all from one portable machine. LTP-DC 2000D combines 3 functions into one with a 200A DC TIG welder, a 200A stick welder, and a 50A pilot arc plasma cutter with the flip of a switch. It is able to cut various types of metal up to 1/2 inch with the 50A pilot arc plasma cutting.
Number 3.
Forney Easy Weld 140 megapixels multi-process welder. Forney Easy Weld 140 megapixels welder. The Forney Easy Weld 140 megapixels is a multi-process welder that can easily be switched between MIG, DC TIG and stick welding. This unit is built tough with an all-metal case and metal wire drive assembly. The Forney Easy Weld 140 megapixels is big enough to handle 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire, and features infinite voltage and wire feed speed controls to help dial in the perfect weld. With this welder, you can use gas or gasless wire up to 0.035 inches, and up to 1/8 stick electrodes. Contact tips 60170, 60171 and 60172. Welding nozzles 85336 and 85337. Diffuser 85339. Mild steel MIG wire 42285, 42286, 42290 and 42291. Flux core MIG wire 42300 and 42301. 9FV TIG torch 85657. Anti-spatter spray 37030. Nozzle gel 37031.
Number 2.
LOTOS MIG 175175 amp MIG welder. LOTOS MIG 175175 amp MIG welder with free spool gun, mask, aluminum welding wires, solid wires, argon regulator, standard MIG gun, brown. Aluminum wire feeder. The durable high-quality aluminum wire feeder offers a much more stable and better welding experience. Multi-use welding stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, with a spool gun, already included in the package, no need to purchase separate and other metal materials. Reliable and durable. Its transformer technology has been proven to be reliable and durable. Spool gun include high-speed MIG spool gun for aluminum welding, 10 feet 4 inches long, 4-prong end connection, 1-pound aluminum wire with dia. 0. 9 mm included. Can welder 3/16 or thinner aluminum plate.
Number 1.
Forney Easy Weld 261, 140 FCI welder, 120 volts, green. Easy to use 140 FCI MIG machine uses 0.30 flux core wire. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control so you can dial in the perfect weld. Perfect entry level welder. Powerful up to 140 amp output that allows you to weld mild steel up to 1/4 in plate. Portable welder lightweight 19 pounds. Easily carried to any do-it-yourself, maintenance, repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist project. Rugged all-metal case built to take the day-to-day. Big enough to handle 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire. Welder includes 8 feet MIG gun, 8 feet ground clamp, integrated handle with torch wrap and a 20A15A adapter. Backed by a 12-month warranty.